everyday jewelry stack.
Got our little matchas.
First little family trip with baby.
Fresh grass. Thank you. Boop, boop. Just got our little matchas. Cheers.
Wow, the past few days have been so busy, but so much fun. I'm just having myself a little catch-up reset day, and part of my reset routine is actually cleaning all my jewelry. So I thought, why not show you guys my updated everyday jewelry stack? I've been getting so many questions about it because there's a bunch of new pieces I've accumulated, and I got my seconds pierced, so now I'm having fun playing around with my new ear stack. I got some fun new pieces from Idyl, and I'm so excited to be partnering with them on this portion of the video because I have been wearing their items nonstop. So let's start with my left ear. This is the Spark ear cuff, and I think it's probably my favorite piece out of the three that I got. It's a beautiful 14 karat gold chain, and the cuff has actually 12 diamonds on it. So I think this is such a like edgy, cool piece, but the diamonds give it a really feminine and classic look. The cuff is super comfortable, and I just feel like it really makes an outfit. I feel like it was perfect for festival season, and honestly, day to day, I feel like my outfits are pretty boring. I'm either in some sort of sweat set or all neutrals, and I feel like the cuff just like zhuzhes up the look. Now, next to the cuff, I have these 2.5 karat diamond studs. I love these. I think they're the perfect size for every day. They're a really nice statement earring and just add a nice pop to my face. Okay, now onto my right ear. So in my first, I have the same diamond stud, and then in my second, this is the Idyl Leah. So this is actually the piece I get compliments on the most. It's a pear cut diamond, and it kind of looks like it's floating underneath your ear. Again, I just love how it's the perfect balance of classy and cool. Now, I do switch out my ear stack quite a bit. Oftentimes I'll switch out these big diamond studs for this pair of chunky gold hoops, and sometimes I'll switch out this piece for this piece. I keep it in the Idyl box because it's just so cute. Let me put it on for you guys. Something that I think is so unique about Idyl is how modular their design is. So this is the backing to the Leah. So I'm just using the same stud, and I'm just gonna replace the Leah with this. This is the Lucia or Lucia. Just gonna pop the backing on. Okay, it's on. So this is how it looks. So on this ear, it's going from smallest to biggest diamond. On the other side, it would go from biggest to smallest. I love how alternating the ears, it gives a slightly different look, and just think it's so cool. It just looks like floating diamonds underneath your ear. I seriously love how modern, young, and fresh Idyl's pieces are, but they're still so classy. I also love that they use traceable and sustainable lab-grown diamonds and 14 karat gold, which is perfect for people like me who have new piercings or sensitive ears. I'm honestly such a big Idyl fan now. There's so many other pieces on their site that I'm eyeing. I'll flash up a few that are on my wish list, and I'll link the ones that I have down below if you want to check them out for yourself. So enough about earrings, let's move on to the rest of my stack. So starting with this hand, this is my engagement ring, a round diamond with 6 prongs, and then this is my wedding band. They're ovals, and then it goes all the way around because it's an eternity band. I have this gold and diamond Tiffany ring, and then my two-tone Rolex, and then this is my Van Cleef gold bracelet. On this hand, I have an Hermes ring, I have this diamond bezel ring, and then my Van Cleef onyx, Cartier love bracelet, a tennis bracelet, and then these two beaded bracelets. They actually have Tim and my baby's birthstones on it, so I thought it was really special. And then for necklaces, I don't really have one that I wear every single day, but I do alternate between these two. They're both tennis necklaces. So this is the first one. It is a gold diamond bezel necklace. It's really beautiful, but this is one that I'll wear. And then this is the second one. This is how the necklace looks. So yeah, this is my updated everyday jewelry stack. I'm gonna go take these off, clean them. And again, don't forget to check out these super cool and fun Idyl pieces at the links down below. Good morning, guys. So I just quickly did my skincare because today is a crazy busy day. Tim's on his way home from a work trip, and I'm watching baby for the morning. I'm watching Baby for the morning, and we've been trying solids, which has been really fun, but also super stressful. I'm really curious, if you're a mom, did you do baby-led weaning or puree? I definitely thought I was gonna do baby-led weaning, but after seeing him gag as a first-time mom, it's just like, honestly so terrifying. We're just doing purees. We started with avocado, then we've done broccoli, carrot, sweet potato, butternut squash, and today we're trying apple. I've been trying to try like a new ingredient every 3 days, but it's been really hard. Like 3 days is kind of a long time, so I've kind of been doing like 2-ish, but let me know if you guys did that. I've heard that it's outdated advice, but it's still what our doctor recommended. He is so intrigued by my camera right now. But yeah, I quickly got ready. We're gonna feed him in a second, and then I'm gonna do like full glam because we're going to a friend's baby shower, and then I have a work event at Golden Gate Park with Native, which is one of my favorite body product brands. They have a great body deodorant, body wash, and I like how they're pretty affordable and they're clean and natural. But yeah, busy day ahead of us, but definitely an exciting and fun one. Should we go try your apple? Should we go try apple? Over here. He's not a fan of the apple or sweet potato. Hey, no. He's a fan of the camera. Okay. Look how messy it gets. My goodness. How do moms do this? What do you have to say? I gotta turn this off. He can't focus. Made it to Golden Gate Park. I'm here to celebrate Native's 10th birthday. They're launching their birthday cake collection, and I got to smell the product, and it smells, I kid you not, incredible. It's a little chilly, windy, but such a fun event. Lunch with Sonia. This is the new Summer Fridays pink guava, and guys, it smells so good. I'm usually not a big like scent girl when it comes to my makeup or skincare, but this literally, it smells like a real guava. It's sweet but not overpowering, and the texture of these balms are just incredible. If you guys haven't tried this, head to your Sephora, try it out because I love the color. It's just like a sheer wash of pink, and literally the formula and the scent, it's so perfect for summer. Right now, you guys are by my closet because I am starting to pack for Napa. We're headed there soon, and I'm just trying to shop my closet. I have no time or energy to be like online shopping, or let alone like shopping in person. So I just want to see what I have in my wardrobe already and just put outfits together. We're actually going with a big group of friends, and all the girls are always so put together. So I'm like, okay, I gotta step up my game and make sure I look good. So that's why I'm planning outfits early. So I'm gonna start pulling things, and I'll show you guys some options, and maybe you guys can help me decide. Okay, I just pulled a bunch of mainly dresses because I feel like that really fits the Napa vibe. Also, dresses are just so easy because you just put that on and it's just one single thing. That's also why I love sets. It's just easy and simple and you look put together. So I'll walk you guys through the things that I pulled, and I love to know what you guys think is more the Napa vibe. We don't go to Napa that often, even though it's only like an hour away. I always feel like it's much farther, but every time we drive there, I'm like, it's really not that bad. So we really should go more often. But I don't drink a lot of wine. I just have really low tolerance, which is my issue. So that's why we don't really do wine tasting, because I can't even finish a whole tasting. Starting with this dress, I think this is really beautiful. You can dress it up with sandals or wear sneakers, and I've worn it to work. I've worn it on the weekends. I just think it's a really beautiful and elegant dress, and I'm always one to get chilly, so I feel like a long sleeve is perfect. I'll have to check the weather actually. When we were at Bottle Rock last weekend, it was so warm during the day, which I loved, but then it got really chilly at night, so this might be too warm for during the day actually. This is similar, but I have been loving the drop waist and you guys saw I went to a baby shower a couple days ago, and I actually wore the blue version of this, and it was so beautiful and perfect and on theme, so I felt really good. So I got this in red, and I thought this was really pretty too, but I wonder if it's too casual for Napa, especially since we're going to some pretty like upscale wineries. But this could honestly be perfect because I could bring a little cardigan, wear that at night, but during the day I could just wear this, and since it's sleeveless, it'll probably keep me nice and cool. This is the next option. It's a beautiful dress, but now that I'm looking at it, I feel like it's not very Napa. It's a little too like business, I think. So I think I'm gonna put this back. This is the next dress. I've actually been trying to find the right occasion to wear it. It's a little shirt mini dress. It's so cute because it cinches right here in the waist and kind of flares out. It's nice and mini and fun, but I'm also thinking it's not very Napa just because it's more like utility style. So maybe not really the girly Napa vibe I'm going for. This is the next dress. I thought this could be a really nice like resort dinner dress. We're having dinner on property at least one of the nights, so this could be a really nice casual, flowy, but still pretty dress. My only thing is I don't love that it doesn't really have a waist, so maybe I'll try and cinch it in with a belt. This is the next dress. It's a nice fun mini dress, and I love the print. I think it's so fun and fresh and youthful. This might be more like an on property sort of dress, not really a winery dress. I feel like it's more fun than classy. So yeah, maybe I'll just save this for like a moment on property if we're doing like a little pool day or something. This is the last dress. Kind of hard to tell on camera what it's like, but it's like that for the top. It's really beautiful. It's from Lulu's. I love how the colors are kind of like watercolors and they're like painted throughout. I think it's a really nice like fresh dinner dress, but not sure if it's like a winery dress. We really haven't figured out our dinner reservations, so once we do, I'm just gonna have to see what the restaurant vibe is like and then pick dresses accordingly. Now I have two skirt sets. The first is this one. This is the top. I think I definitely want to bring this. It's kind of like a peplum style corset top, and then this is the skirt. If you guys watched my last vlog of Bottle Rock and prepping for it, this skirt was actually one that I almost wore. It's really pretty, and I think this would definitely be a nice like wine tasting outfit. This is the next skirt set. So here's the top, and then this is the matching bottom. I think this could be nice for dinner, but again, have to figure out the restaurant vibe. Maybe because of the material, it feels a little more casual to me, so it feels not as fitting for a wine tasting. And then I have this like linen pant set. Definitely have to iron it, but I think I could maybe wear this walking around property. And I've been loving this denim vest with the matching jeans for a Canadian tuxedo moment. So that's an option too, but I guess this would be also just like resort wear. We're really not going to be on property that much though, so I really don't need to bring that many like resort outfits. I have been so excited to wear these kind of like boyfriend shorts. I got this like a few years ago, and I just love that like coastal grandma, like comfy casual look. So this with like a sweater and sandals, it's like my perfect outfit. This is definitely something I'm gonna wear probably like in the mornings with a cozy sweater, walking around property with my coffee, going to breakfast. That's what I live for. So yeah, I think we're good for Napa. Thank goodness I don't have to be like browsing online doing more shopping. I'm really trying to shop my closet more, and I'm glad it's working out. Let me know which outfits you feel like are most Napa vibes, and let me know what would you wear to a wine tasting or in and around Napa. I'm gonna close out the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and definitely come back soon to see my Napa trip recap. We're going to some really awesome wineries, ones that I've never been before but have been on my bucket list, and we're staying at a really nice resort. Everyone that we've spoken to who stayed there before has raved about it, so I'm really excited, and it's gonna be our first little family trip with baby. So yeah, it's gonna be really special. I'm really excited, and I can't wait to share that video with you. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.